Everybody's talking about making money with AI, but most of them are just selling you guys theory. Yeah, you could do this or you could try that, but have they actually tried it? The difference between me and them is that I have receipts. This video is gonna be like nothing that you've ever seen before because I'm not gonna just tell you 5 unsaturated ways that I found that you can make money online with AI. I'm going to actually show you live examples step by step so you can do the exact same thing starting today. You do not need experience. You do not need to be techie. And the last one on this list, oh my gosh, if you guys watch this whole video and you still don't take action, you might as well just unsubscribe right now because I am literally giving you everything. You guys ready to get into it? Let's go. All right, so if you're new here, I recently started running an AI agency and it all started because of my friend Candace. She was working 2 jobs at a casino and a restaurant, 7 days a week, no days off. And I had just interviewed someone on my channel about AI receptionists. It was actually my coach, Andy Gaudet. It's an AI that answers phone calls for businesses and helps them never miss a call. And I thought it was the coolest thing I had ever seen. So I called my friend Candace. I said, hey, come over before you have to go to work because I want to help you make some more money. And I'm filming everything, so be prepared. And 2 hours after she had came over and we watched this video to see how it works and we started calling people, I kid you not, she had a client paying her $997 a month before she left for work. 0 experience, just this 3-sentence script that we used. And you guys can watch the whole video, I'm gonna link it below. But after that, I said, there is no way that I'm not getting in this AI game. So I got started. And I'm gonna tell you what most people won't. It does not happen like that every single time. Sometimes it takes a while to find the right person who needs your help at the right time. But the people who stay in it are the ones who make real money. And I am so excited to show you what's exactly working right now for me and for people in my community doing the exact same thing right alongside me. Now, most of the things that I'm about to show you, they all run inside this one tool. I'm gonna show you exactly what that is as we go. All right, number 5 is AI voice receptionist, what I just recently talked about. Now, I talk to business owners a lot and most of them have still never heard of this. But here's what you need to understand first. There is a window on this. Once a business already has this set up, they don't need you anymore. The people who go out and sell this right now are the ones who win. So here's exactly why businesses need this. The other day, my mother-in-law, her rental property had a sewage problem after hours. So she called multiple companies that all advertised 24-hour service, but nobody picked up. Nobody. That is a missed job worth anywhere from $500 to $2,000 gone just because nobody answered the phone. Now imagine instead of a voicemail, an AI answers on the very first ring. It says hello, collects all the information, and can even connect the call to a real person if needed. Available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on holidays. That is called an AI voice receptionist. And this is what me and my friend Candace sold for $997. Now also disclaimer here, always remember my results are my results. What you do will always depend on you and circumstances. This video is for educational purposes only, but I'm sharing what I did. So let me call this agent for an HVAC company so you can actually see and hear how this actually works.
Hello, thank you for calling Bond's Heating and Cooling. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling because our air went out and it's so hot in here. We need someone to come fix it.
Oh no, that sounds uncomfortable. Let's get this taken care of for you. Can I start by getting your full name?
Yes, Whitney Bonds.
Thanks, Whitney. Could you also share the best phone number to reach you?
Yes, 234-568-5432.
Got it. That's 234-568-5432, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. And what's the address where we'll be sending the technician?
At 234 ABC Street in Chicago, Illinois.
Great, thank you. Lastly, do you have any specific details about the issue? For example, is the system completely off or is it blowing warm air?
It's completely off.
Got it. Since the system is completely off, let's get someone out there as soon as possible. Would you prefer the earliest available appointment?
Okay, so that's just an example. You see how that is in real time, how this can help a company? This is a receptionist that is collecting all the information while the HVAC contractor is actually at their job doing the work. This assistant is keeping the business moving. And that's what business owners need. They need someone to keep the business moving even when they're not available. And that's why this is valuable. And the coolest thing is that AI receptionist not only just takes the call, she also transcribes everything and sends it to the business owner so they can actually review the call to see their next steps. Check this out. So you look right here, if you go right here, AI call. They'll summarize the call. The user contacted Bond's Heating and Cooling to report an air conditioning issue and provide their contact information and address for scheduling a technician visit. And so it literally walks you through the entire conversation so they can see what happened. This is a game changer. This happened on the first ring. No employees, no call center, just a small local business that never misses a call again. Now I have a whole free tutorial showing you how to set this up and my 3-sentence script that we use to sell this thing. Now I'm gonna put all of this in a free guide for you guys so you have access to all the links to easily access this stuff. But this isn't just for HVAC companies. Think plumbers, roofers, electricians, lawyers, personal trainers. Basically, any business where a missed call means a missed customer. That is almost every small business that you drive past today. So here's how you get paid for setting this up. Every client that wants this gets their own account under your high-level account that I was talking about earlier. Now I have guides on all this stuff. But you set up their AI receptionist inside it and they pay you every single month, like a subscription. The same way you pay for Netflix, except now you're Netflix. You charge anywhere from $297 to $997 a month per client, recurring every month. Check out that video that I'm gonna put in the guide so you guys can create this today. And number 4, same tool, and this one is personal to me because I recently did a live. I had over 130 people watching, and I asked someone in the chat to let me create a website for them in real time so I could show them how this works. Now using the same tool, high level, they have a vibe coder. Someone in the chat volunteered. They told me that they had a plus size women's boutique. And I literally just put in this one sentence. Create me a website for a plus size women's boutique called Fashion Figure Boutique. And in less than 5 minutes, it had created this beautiful website. Actually, it was stunning from one prompt. And if you guys want to make any changes, you just tell it what you want it to change and it changes it. That's why I said, if you can text, you can do this. So I want to give you guys a real play right now on how you can actually sell this thing today. So if you want to get a client, I want you to use this strategy. Now I saw this post, I'm like, this can be done for this exact thing. And it had a number of people responding to it. And it said this: who wants us to redesign their website for free to see what we can do? Only pay after you like what we have built. And that's the play. That's all you have to do. You can literally put in an existing website and tell them to make it better, and it will make it better. I can't show you all the different ways. I just want you guys to try it. It is free to use. You get it for 30 days. Try this out and see how you can actually build websites. And if they want to make any changes, you go in and just say what you need to make a change. You don't have any code. You don't go in and do it anything yourself. You tell it what you want it to do and it will do it. It is beyond, like, I have never seen anything this good. So if you are looking for an opportunity, you can use this right now today. Now the business model here is simple. You charge anywhere from $97 to $297 a month to host the website, but you can get paid every month for a website that you can build in literally minutes using AI. But here's the really important part. That website is just how you get in the door. Once a business is paying you for a website, you can add on everything else I'm about to show you and go from charging $97 to $500 a month just by stacking services that you already have access to inside the same tool. So this brings us to number 3, and it keeps getting better and better. Now we're talking about reputation management, also known as helping local businesses with Google reviews. Every single month you keep a client, things get better for them. More reviews come in, they show up higher on Google. If they're showing up higher on Google, the more visibility they're gonna get, the more calls they're gonna get, the more money they're gonna make. Now, you know how Google reviews work. If there's a new restaurant or you need to hire a plumber, what do? You go to Google and you check the reviews to make sure that you're gonna be making the right decision. If they don't have reviews, you go to the company that does. But most business owners have zero systems for actually getting reviews. They just hope customers will actually leave a review, or they ask them, but people forget and they move on and they still are left with the same 14 reviews that they started with, while the competitor down the street has over 200. And here's exactly what I do for my clients. I ask them for their past clients' information. All I need is their name, phone number, and email address. I take those past contacts and I put them through the simple automation, asking them to leave a Google review. I send them a text the first time. If they don't respond within 2 days, I send another gentle nudge to the text. After that, that's it. But we have seen that most people are actually leaving reviews after the second nudge. They want to leave a review, but then life gets in the way and they forget. But that second text message, that's the one that we have seen the most conversions on. So I typically get a 5 to 10 response rate, and this is why this works so well if they have a lot of clients that they have never asked. For example, I have a text preparer client. She has over 1,000 past clients. I put her list through my automation. She went from 13 Google reviews to over 110. And this might be one of the biggest impacts. She moved from deep on page 2 for text preparer near me to now on the first page of Google, currently in the number 4 spot, almost getting into that top 3 spot, which is where everybody wants to be. No paid ads, just using customers she already had. And that's just step 1. Once reviews start coming in, somebody has to respond to them. Google actually rewards businesses that respond to reviews, but most business owners never do it because they're too busy. So you set up AI inside High Level to respond to them automatically. Every new review gets a response that sounds real, matches how the business talks, and goes out on its own. You set it up once and it just runs. But here's where it gets even better. Those 5-star reviews sitting on Google, they're also free content. You take a great review, turn it into a social media post, and automatically schedule it out to go on Facebook, Instagram, wherever they post, all from the same tool, High Level. This business owner never has to now think about their social media again. And think about what you just became to that business. You're not just the person who does their marketing. You are part of the reason their phone is ringing more. And inside of my community, I have a whole free course on how to get all this. I'm gonna put that in the free guide too. Now, number 2 is something I said that I would never do for clients, but this is an offer for $1,000 a month or more. And it only took me 2 hours to do. So one of my clients is a financial advisor, and she gets clients through 2 ways: word of mouth and referrals. But you don't want to have your whole business relying on just those 2 things. You should have an online presence. You want to be staying top of mind, so when someone needs you, they'll be like, oh yeah, her. Because she's always giving value talking about this. So I did something for her. I got on a video call with her, recorded it using this free AI tool called Fathom, and I took the whole transcript, basically, which is a written version of everything she said, and I dropped it straight into Claude, which is a free AI tool for those who don't know. And I gave Claude everything: her story, her client, who her clients are, what she's trying to help people with. Her company gave her a document with all the things that she can't post, so I put that document into Claude too. So it knew the rules before writing anything for her. And then I asked Claude to create a full month of social media posts, real stories, helpful information, just little quotes. So I designed some posts in Canva, and others are just good storytelling to get good engagement. And I use the schedule and go High Level to set this all up. And I'm gonna show you right here. Okay, so you can see right here, these are all the posts for all this month that I have done for her. And just to give you a sneak peek of just some of them, I did these in Canva. I have a whole video tutorial on how to do all of this stuff. And it's just kind of like just a value good post right here. And then I also have some posts where it's using celebrities. So if you click on this and you see it, it's a good storytelling post. You've seen the story, so that's making you read what stories. And then it goes down. Claude helped me create all of this, and I can give you guys the prompts. And then when you show a post like that, it makes you want to read, like, what is this all about? And then it goes into how she's actually connecting this to financial planning. And that is something that I did for her clients. Now, not only did you need social media posts to stay top of mind that is going to be engaging, makes you want to read, just show value. And so once you're here just showing value and you schedule this out, people are automatically going to be like, when they need your help, they're going to go to your profile and see if there are any links there. You want to create a lead magnet. Now, I use Claude for all of this. I can give you guys my prompts too. I'm putting the free guide. But this is what we created from Claude. It created this, and I took this exact same thing that it created, and I put it in High Level's vibe coder to create this. And this is the site that it created and that we're using for her opt-in. Now, I can't show you everything because this is a client, but I'm going to just show you this one page that this is going to be what people will actually click on to learn more. And so it's a free retirement checklist. Find out if you're really ready to retire. Get your free checklist. So when they put in their first name, email, and their phone number, this is what they're going to see. They're going to be able to see the next page, which I can't show you that part, but that's going to be what I have the prompt for you guys so you can create your own. But there's more. So you have this opt-in for them to actually see the free checklist. So what do you do with those people now that you have their information? You create a nurture sequence. And my best friend Claude helped me with that too. And in High Level, I literally asked Claude to create me an automation sequence to nurture this person. And so it did all that. I literally copy and pasted the whole automation sequence that Claude created, and I dumped it into this automation right here. And it has all that's going to be sending out texts, emails over a long period of time as we nurture this person. And this is all something that I was able to do in, like, I'm not even kidding, I would say 2 hours. I didn't time it, but it did not take me that long. And so I did this for her entire month in 2 hours, and I'm charging her $1,000 a month for this. And so this is what you guys can do, the exact same thing. Provide value, create the post for them, and then take a day, do the work, and give it to them and let them review it. And then you can sit pretty doing whatever else you want to do. This is a real service that you can sell, because business owners, they don't want to take the time to do all this stuff. But you can do this, and it does not take that much time. All right, let's get to number 1, the one that I promised at the top of this video. So I recently made a video about a guy named Harry that has made over $2 million creating AI avatars. And then I was speaking on a stage at an event recently, And another speaker stood up and said that he makes $800,000 a month doing the exact same thing. $800,000 a month. And if you don't pay attention to this right now, it might be too late by the time that you come back to it. This window is open right now and people are already cashing in. So let me explain what an AI avatar actually is, because it sounds complicated, but it's not. So you know how YouTubers film themselves talking to a camera? Well, imagine if you could film yourself once. Just once, and then you never have to sit in front of a camera again. You just type out what you want to say, and an AI version of your face and your voice says it for you perfectly, like you actually recorded it. And here's an example of YouTuber Nick Ponte that uses this. That is an AI avatar. That tool that makes this possible is called HeyGen. What HeyGen does is it clones your face and your voice. You record yourself for a few minutes one time, just once, and then never have to sit in front of a camera again. You just type out what you want to say, and an AI version of your face and your voice says it for you perfectly, like you actually recorded it. So here are 2 ways that you can make real money with this right now. The first way is for yourself. If you want to start a YouTube channel or post content online, but you don't have time to sit down and film everything, this solves that problem completely. You write the script or you have AI write it for you, you paste it into HeyGen, and your AI avatar delivers the whole entire video. You can create content every single day without ever turning on a camera. More content means more people find you. More people find you means more clicks to your links. More clicks to your links means the possibility that you can make more money. It's that simple. And the second way is for business owners. So think about busy business owners, a financial advisor, a contractor, someone who knows that they should be posting content online, but they just don't have the time. Clone their face and voice in HeyGen, and you write out the scripts or you have it go through AI, put it through HeyGen, and you deliver a full month of professional videos that look like they filmed them personally. They never have to sit in front of a camera again. So you guys, you just can handle everything, and they pay you every single month for this. This works for social media videos, YouTube, sales videos on their website. So I made a full step-by-step video showing you exactly how to set this up from scratch, how to create an AI avatar in HeyGen, how to create a voice even if it's not yours, and more. And I'm gonna put that video in my free guide below. So I'm gonna put all these links, like I said, in my free guide, the exact systems, the scripts, the step-by-step setup, how to get your first client, and how to get started for free for the first 30 days. The link is in the description below, but I said 5. So which one of these would you wanna choose or start with? Let me know in the comment section below. Comment guide so I'll send you the free guide. And if you like this video, YouTube thinks you're gonna like this one even better. Check it out, I'll see you in that one. As always, thanks for watching guys, have a great day.